Check out that people. Tuesday, Tuesday, 22nd of July. We're making some veggies for the veggie soup. So dumpling, carrots, um, bit of pepper, hot pepper, seasoning. This is the dumpling going in here. Alright, I'm going to find a different around some. Have a hot day today, but some rainfall earlier. I smell in the sources and I have some going to see it. I'm going to time people to get the video. I don't know what I'm again to upload to YouTube. So I'm going to do this. I don't always have nothing to upload. After a few times I don't go anywhere. Most of the time I'm home. I just like to do the rain videos, but after a while I go hold back on that. I won't stop it already, so we don't let it. Not nice. You put macaroni in it. That's some macaroni, dumpling, it's in the carrots. You put in dash in it, put it. Don't dash in it, put in it and all. Like I see it's the same leaf we used to make the yam, the callaloo. Right, so the dumplings gone in. Some ramen noodles. The golden ray butter. Oh, some people know it as salt butter. But I don't think it's like the long time salt butter now. I see the golden ray gone in there. I don't remember it. I've seen it. I read. Right now, this is the uku thing. As I said, it's like a sauce for flavoring. You cooking certain things and put in it to give it a different flavor. Well, I know it have two, three different names. We just call it uku. But the fruit itself, it has two, three different names. So when I search it up, I see the most different names. I see a few names. I can't pronounce most of the names. So sometimes I myself, for anybody I know, they always talk about uku. But I hear some people call it ruku and I see. It's soy sauce. I first had to put salt. Well, you know, who knows how to make salt, your hot pepper, carrots, and whatever little vegetables you have, like eddos, yam, dashin, cassava, whatever you have. When you don't have much thing, you put where you have for soup, like potatoes and aloo. You get a nice color, different color. I mean, soy sauce on the uku, on the butter, while the butter still melting. Right, so the video will be about 5-10 minutes. I don't know how long. After the I have to throw it in the frying again and then I will stop the video before. Just pick it up and have it. Yeah, nothing next here to me. Right. It's hot again. It's hot by the stove. Well, it's hot by the stove. Right, so that's how you're seeing it. Has the same thing but we use medical aloo. You just say dashin bush or dashin bhaji. I don't have one next name for it. How long you have it? Next 10. How long you have again? Thanks. If I'm gonna stop this part of the video, when it's time to throw the other, I have one more green ingredient to throw. I'm gonna turn it. Right, so I'm gonna stop this. When the next last ingredient going in, I go back on the stove as well. Call it fig talcari or takari, how you want to call it. This is green bananas. We just say fig and Trinidad, or maybe it's 20 places as well too. Or we just say fig, but it's green bananas cut up to make a talcari. Many people might know what is that. Right, so we in Trinidad we just call it fig. I think it has fig in the soup as well too. But I don't know the original name, but I just say most of the thing like how I know it. I can try, we go like I go say aloo, but many people know it as potato. Right, fig, I go saying fig, but people know it as some wet in salt. So I didn't realize it had an next pot was cooking as well. Again, I did 2 pot now. Then when the final ingredients going in, I'll give you the. So let me see if I can get a little bit of the. Right, so it's fig and saltfish. So this is in the banana. If anybody first time seeing this cooking. So on the saltfish going in, I'm going to show you when the ingredients going in this pot here. Last ingredients I'm going to show you again. Go ahead. Right, ramen noodles. Right, that's the last thing for your soup. Oh no, it have a little seasoning and the ramen and all. Or the parting is a flavor pack, whatever it is. Right, so this is the same for the soup. I just have some saltfish to throw in the fig, so I got all of that. I don't think what I go do the best. But now what in my mind on to tell it to make a pot of soup and add the cuckoo thing in it, because when he making it, he did talking about when I was making it, he did talking about it that you could use it well for certain things like whatever you say, and then you say you can remember when you were small I was to use it in soup. I have to try this again here, right? Right, so the saltfish going to throw in here in the fig. So fig takari, or I don't know how to spell that, so I'll put. I'm not sure how I'm going to name this, no?
Banana takari, yeah.
Man, I just put fig and saltfish, or banana and saltfish, and I put a soup or something. Right, I come from this direction, we're going to have a angle. Oh, that didn't get any good. So I'll close the soup now next pot. So, the soup finished. Right, now there's more thing in it. Right, there's some seasoning water. Seasoning sauce, you could say. Right. The uku normally you could go from the beginning of the before you started, but you can put it anything I feel you want to be. It's up to you. So that's finished. This nearly finished here too. So again that finished, the soup finished. And the banana effect curry or curry nearly finished too. You see this saltfish in it. So you're coming down to the end here. I don't know how to name it. I got just a fig and saltfish and rice people. Right, so that's it there. So I'll show already fish, but this man is quite hungry. Oh, but I would eat mash up now. Right, so that is the banana and our saltfish mash up. So that is the people. Thanks for watching. Sorry, thank you for watching.